Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic rooftop tent stands a little taller than the rest. With a lot of rooftop tents on the market, OVS has separated themselves with the Nomadic line. This premium 4-season tent was built with all the little details in mind. Starting with the construction, OVS built the tent on a double insulated, one-piece black diamond-plated base with marine-grade stainless steel hinges and hardware. Then they added their new best-in-class V-strength ridges and oversized poles for superior support in the windiest of conditions. Wrap all that in a heavy-duty 600D ripstop canvas body, and you have a serious shelter. The elements are no match for this tent. When you add the included rainfly, this tent is built for even the heaviest of downpours. OVS even heat-sealed all the seams on the tent and rainfly for added waterproof protection. Home away from home and cozy and warm? That's the tent for me. But they didn't stop there. It's all the additional functionality that OVS added to the Nomadic tent that makes it one of the best rooftop tents on the market, starting with the 3-inch mattress and insulated base, so that you can rest your tired bones after a long day of adventuring. Next, we have the integrated skylight in both the tent and the rainfly. You can enjoy the additional light inside the tent or stargaze till your heart's content. There are also a lot of little touches as well. 96-inch telescoping ladder, storage loft and 4 interior storage pouches, LED strip light, handheld LED light, and my personal favorite, 2 shoe pouches right outside the door. If you're interested in purchasing Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic rooftop tent or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.